Hello everyone. Welcome to Study Vibes Education. Daily Current Affairs 10th July 2021. Questions. 1. Where will the AFC Women's Asian Cup 2022 to be held in 2022? Answer: India. Questions. 2. Which organization will provide satellite TV for classrooms in India? Answer: ISRO. Questions. 3. Which state's former Chief Minister Veerbhadra Singh has passed away at the age of 87? Answer: Himachal Pradesh. Questions. 4. Who has been given the responsibility of Railway Ministry in the cabinet by Narendra Modi instead of Piyush Goyal? Answer: Ashwini Vaishnav. Answer: Ashwini Vaishnav. Questions. 5. At what age did Aditya Mittal of India become the chess grandmaster? Questions. 6. Which state Chief Minister Navin Patnaik has approved 5 major steel-making projects worth Rs 1.46 lakh crore? Answer: Odisha. Questions. 7. Who has been entrusted with the charge of the Ministry of Cooperation that has been constituted? Answer: Amit Shah. Questions. 8. From which state of India has the first consignment of GI certified Bhalia wheat been exported? Answer: Gujarat. Questions. 9. Which country has fined big internet companies in anti-monopoly cases? Answer: China. Answer: China. Answer. Questions. 10. In which country the world's tallest sandcastle has been built? Thank you so much for watching.